Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures, and this video will be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD territory and we're just off of oversold conditions on the RSI, and at the moment we're currently below the 150 moving average, this red line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $1,910. If we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in a positive MACD, however we are approaching to negative territory. And as of now, we are currently below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our resistance at the price of $1,917. If we extend that once more to the daily chart, we are still approaching to positive MACD, and as of now, we are still resting right above the 100-day moving average, this orange line, so it will act as our next support level at the price of $1,886, and that was in the past acted as our support level as indicated back in September 24th as well as October 14th. And for resistance, we do need to break above this 50-day moving average. However, if we do manage to break above that level, the next resistance will be where we made past resistance back in September 15th at around a price of $1,966. So if we do manage to head up higher to hit resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 3.1% to the upside, and to the downside to touch support, that is around 1.1%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. And as for my position size, that's less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $176.84, which is this range right here, and that coincides with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. And my stop target for it will be $182.48, and my stop loss will be $175. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my short entry will be at $184.36, and my sell target will be $178.72, and my stop loss will be $186.27. So my short entry will be this range right here, and that coincides with resistance in the past back in September 16. So whichever entry prices are hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 2%, and to the downside, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2%. And further extreme case to the downside, a 17% chance to fall between negative 2% to negative 4.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.